Was brought up. Gum, gum, gum.
My editor said, "Megan."
You guys want to do 2 minutes. I feel I favor the read.
Just 1 minute.
Huh?
Just 1 minute. The next one, I should up it now.
Call. This is my village. Show them there, show them down, show them down. Just show them the mirror, show them everything, show them, show them. Alright, show me too. Show them. This is my village. You can see everywhere is wet tide. I love my village. I went to fetch water for my mom. So I'm a Jesus, which English? I'm a hard-working son. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so show them our pump. Show them. We have pump. You see the pump there? It's working. You see the stream? Let me show you. Let me open it for you. Let's see. See. Everything is working. But I went to stream to fetch this one because I love this one. You know what I'm saying? My village is town. My village is town. You know what I'm saying? Very good and nice. I love you all. Mwah.